sections tungkol kay ang unang section, it is all about the call to repentance, the teaching of the Lord. And then there is a second section in support to the teaching, which is a parable. Una nga siguro, if you notice, this is a change of the outline. The change in terms of, sa una, ang iskotan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Karon, naatay A1, A2, A3. Kaya naatay B1, B2. E nga naman, di atong separate ang duha kamatang sa pagsulat. Duha kamatang sa literature. Okay? Ang A is actually, it's docetic. Ano sa mga ito ang docetic? Docetic is teaching. Pagtulunan. Pahimangno. Ihemplo. Okay? Kunya, ang ikatuha, verses 6 to 9, is a parable. Usa ka, masumbingay. Istorya ang gihapon. But a parable is a very, very powerful story. It has plenty of levels to take into consideration. So, ang unang bahin are the first 5 verses. Chapter 13, verses 1 to 5. Kunya atong i-subdivide further into verse 1, verses 2 and 3, part 3, verses 4 and 5. Now the second section, which is the parable itself, is from verse 6 to verse 9. And we divide the parable into 2 sections. Verse 6 and verse 7, part 1, and part 2, verse 8 and verse 9. Okay? So para mapasayon nato kung maayo. Now, una, A1, that is verse 1. Okay. Ako naman siguro na-isputan ninyo nga, kanang mga bracketed, gikan na siya sa New American Bible. Kanang wala sa bracket, kanang naimanagandungan, mo na siya ang version sa dictionary. So the dictionary begins with, some people told Jesus about the Galileans whose blood Pilate had mingled with the blood of their sacrifices. Pero ang bato na sa Biblia, ang atong mabasa is, at that time, some people who were present there told him, walay Jesus, told him that. But of course, we have to make it clear. Now, what is this opening verse all about? Okay. This is an incident cited, okay, by Luke. Okay? And then this incident is one